What's up guys, I'm from TechSource and welcome to the continuation of the What's in the Box series. If you guys missed the first episode or the episode before this one, make sure to watch that first because we had so many boxes that we had to split it into two parts. But anyways, this is the final video of that, so let us begin. This video is sponsored by Linkous. It's an app that gives you key insights of the world's best-selling non-fiction books, and I love the fact that you can get through the main points of a book by reading or listening to it in like 15 minutes. It's perfect for people like me that just can't find extra time to dedicate to sitting down and reading a book. You know, it's easy to spend 15 minutes on the internet browsing through memes or Instagram videos. Why not spend 15 minutes and listen to a book that you're interested in? I really like how user-friendly the app is, and it gives you the option to read or listen, and I feel like Blinkist is an awesome way of discovering new books as well. For example, a lot of you guys don't know this, but I'm actually getting married this year, so I've been looking around and I came across this book called The All or Nothing Marriage, and after finishing it in just 15 minutes, I was slightly intrigued, so now I'm considering buying the full book. Like I said earlier, it's an awesome way to discover new books, and if you're like me, don't have the time to sit down and read or listen to a book, then you can use Blinkist and cut your time down to 15 minutes only. They do have a special offer for my subscribers out there, and the first 500 people to visit the link in the description section or visit blinkist.com/techsource will receive a 20% off their membership cost. And you guys can also get an option to do a free trial to test it out. But anyways, the link will be down below. Let's get back to the video. Alright, start off with stuff on the top, as usual. So, looks like we got some ram sticks. Ooh, these are actually really nice. These are from G-Skill. These are the new Sniper X with the whole army camouflage looking style. This will actually look nice on a black and white build, to be honest. So these are 16 gigs, DDR4, 3600 megahertz. Some very fast RAM sticks. Thank you so much G-Skill for sending these in. Hopefully I will put them to good use in an upcoming build. Moving on to the next box. We got some boxes back here as well. Speaking of RAM sticks, so these are the RAM sticks we're going to be actually using in his build. Holy crap, these are 8 sticks. So 32 grapes? 32 gigs of RAM. These are the Corsair Dominators. I think, what's the speed on these? 3200 megahertz. So yeah, these are the ones that he wants to use. This is actually his RAM sticks that he sent me from his previous build. So this is the only ones that we're going to be using in his new build that's coming from his previous build, if that makes any sense. But yeah, here we go. We got the power supply, ladies and gentlemen. Corsair HX850. This is going in his build. That's pretty self-explanatory, nothing else to talk about. It's power supply. Aha! We've got probably the rest of the props that we ordered from Amazon. So actually, let's get these out of the way. These are just curtains we picked up to cover the blinds to block out the lights, of course. We got 4 of these. 2 per side, and we got 2 windows. Cut that out of the video. Alright, so we picked up some colorful notebooks. We got yellow, we got blue, green, and red. These will make for some really nice background props in our videos. All the cool people are doing it. I think we're cool too, so we're gonna include. This is actually the minimalistic art series. There's a bunch of colorful ones, but these are actually one of the best ones out there. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check it out. I also picked up this interesting blue vase. I don't know if I'll put flowers in it, but I just think it looks really cool. Let me actually take this out of the box and show you guys. Oh, whoa, this looks trippy. This actually looks cooler in person. Do you see that? See the reflection on that? It looks really sick. That is pretty sick. Yeah, probably if you throw in like an RGB light in there or something, it will give off a really nice glow effect. So very, very nice prop. And it comes in different colors. We picked up the turquoise one because I personally like that color. I'm just kidding, guys. The vase is here. The vase is in. That was a bad joke. Let's open this up, and then we also got this Moonlight. This is actually Bob's pick. He saw this on Amazon. He's like, hey, we should pick this up because it looks cool. What the hell is this? So apparently this glows. I think it's RGB, right? It can glow in different colors, and it looks like the moon. So it's got some pretty cool textures on here. I don't know. We'll see if we'll find use for it somewhere on one of the shelves maybe, but we picked this up as well. Oh, it comes with a wooden stand that you're supposed to put together. Yeah, pretty cool. And guys, this is all experimental. Obviously, we don't know if all this is gonna work. There's gonna be a lot of trial and error. So there's some things that are gonna work. There's some things that are not gonna work, and we're just gonna learn from that and then move on. Eventually, putting together the perfect office for us in order to shoot awesome videos. So that's kind of what the goal is. This is clearly from Asus, judging by the Samsung sticker.
Say the Samsung.
Exactly. It was a joke. Obviously, this is the motherboard we're going to be putting in the subscriber build. He decided to go with the X299XE Gaming from Asus, and this will definitely provide a CPU with enough juice. Did I pick up a CPU already? No. Oh, I didn't unbox the CPU yet. But yeah, anyways, let's move on. That's right, I'm still missing a few of his items. Maybe it's in this one. Let's open this one first, though. I got some more fans. I think the ones I unboxed earlier or in the other episode were 140 millimeters. These are actually the 120s, so I'm going to be using these as well. So I for some reason I thought Corsair again sent me duplicate products, but yeah. Those are the fans I'm going to be using in the build. 3 more boxes to go, guys. Aha! Speaking of the GPU and the processor, he decided to go with a single Titan XP. This is the newer version of the Pascal Titan XP, if that makes any sense. This is the April release. So this is the faster Titan XP in order to make it more simplified. And it's already open. I think is this supposed to come sealed, no? But anyways, yeah, it looks like it's sealed. Brand new Titan XP. Now, the reason why I told him to go with this instead of a 1080 Ti is because the prices are so ridiculous for a 1080 Ti that I told him just to spend a few $100s more and get the XP instead. Literally, the price difference was like only $200, so I'm like, why not? Go for it. The processor he is going with, we've got a brand new i7-7800X. This is a 6-core processor clocked at 3.5 gigahertz. Of course, I'm going to overclock it as much as I can. And last but not least, did Amazon send me 2 motherboards by accident? So yeah, that was no mistake. It was my mistake. I actually ordered 2. So yeah, one of them is definitely going back because I'm not going to need it. That was really light. Oh, we have a trash can. Bob, your home is here. Here. This, I think I know what this is. Yes, I can see it. Where's my Kingdom Hearts fans out there? This over here, ladies and gentlemen, is a very sharp keyblade. Oh. I damaged your table. My bad. Wow, I did not expect this to be. It's actually pretty heavy. You can literally chop someone's neck off with this. But this is one of the keyblades from Kingdom Hearts. I don't know which one, if it's the second or third one. Yeah, it looks really sick. It's black and red. It's my color scheme. And I'm gonna put this on one of the shelves that we're gonna have in the office, and it's gonna look really nice in the background of some videos. I did order one more though. Maybe it's in this box. Let's check it out. This is a serious weapon. Like, it's no joke. It's not a toy. All right, I'm gonna put this aside before I poke someone's eye out. could probably unbox the rest of this episode with this, actually. Beautiful. The Keyblade has so many uses. I literally have no more space for the boxes. But anyway, this one you can already tell based on the Mickey Mouse emblem over here. Ooh, the original Keyblade of Sora. I think this is both from the same company, judging by the quality. Whoa. The only thing I don't like is this part, it spins. I don't know if that's, I've been reading in the reviews that this part is, it spins on all of them, and it's not supposed to because it's annoying. Same thing with this one, it spins, but it's not as loose. But yeah, this is the other Keyblade. It's actually built really well, to be honest. Real stainless steel. Imagine walking in with both of these things.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Yeah, this is pretty badass, officially. Last but not least, we have this box. I don't know what this is. So this is an RGB ring light. That's pretty much it. You can control the lights, I think, using your smartphone, and you can set it to any color you want, any effects, any brightness, and it's gonna look really nice again in the background of our videos, and that's the main purpose of this. So yeah, it's actually But yeah, this is the default mode. As you can see, it's kind of just cycling through all the colors until you hook it up with the app and you can control it. I think it looks pretty sweet. I don't know how much this thing was. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. So, and it kind of has a flimsy build to it. So hopefully this lasts. But anyways, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to toss a like to show your support. Anything mentioned in this video will be linked below. As always, I love your faces, and I will see you in the next one.